Okay guys, I got this carbon fiber knob cover. I saw this on one of the videos from Amazon for my IS500. I also got a specific V8 badge that I just installed. As you can see, the V8 badge here looks pretty clean. I need to get a black IS500 badge as well. Okay, first things first, I'm gonna push this thing down. As you can see, it easily slides from the knob, and then I'm gonna just twist this. Takes a while to come off, and there you go. And then I'm just gonna slide this. As you can see, it also comes with some tape inside it. I'm probably gonna put a couple of more tapes just to have it fit tight and look really nice. I've also ordered the unit here. I haven't received it yet. It's out of stock. They told me it will be coming in the next couple of days, so waiting for it. This is my 2022 IS launch edition. So happy with it. Aiming to add specific things over the next couple of months. As you can see, this looks so sleek. I haven't taken the tape off, fits perfectly. It looks really amazing, and this is real carbon fiber. The material is really rock solid. Looks fantastic. The specific other things in carbon fiber on Amazon for this car really looks great. Okay, here's the end product, guys. I think it looks sleek. I don't think the video is giving justice to the shine that I'm getting here. The only thing here is I would recommend that the tape on this side, the chances are this will come off from this side as well as this side. I'm going to take a look. If it comes off, I'll probably put extra tape. As somebody noted that I think it sometimes comes off in summer when it's too hot. So I'll see how it goes, but it looks amazing. I'm gonna order some more products, carbon fiber, for my eyes. Thanks guys for watching.